Okay, so it is just after 9 o'clock. I posted the blog post announcing that I'm gonna try to build a whole mini course in 24 hours at around 8:30. And since then, what I've done is gone into FigJam, like I talked about in the blog post, which if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put in the description below. And let's just look in here. And what I did was I was like, okay, I want to make it under an hour and I want to add some sort of planning template. And I decided that I would use like a real example that wasn't from my clients or existing projects and use that as like the walkthrough for how you would think about designing a block editing experience if you were creating a block for one of these design components. And for that, what I did was I found, let's go here, a sort of set of responsive like design landing pages, and they're just designs, and like it only costs like $16 for the commercial version, and it has a bunch in here. I don't know which one I'm going to pick yet, but it has like, you know, a lot, if this would ever load, and it's got all these like designs for these pages, and it's got like the mobile version as well, and it's all in Figma. So, you know, I can kind of replicate that experience of taking a design and thinking through what the component is going to be and then what that experience for an editing experience might look like, and kind of walk through that. And what I decided on was sort of 9 lessons, 9 videos. So there'll be like the anatomy of the block editing interface, guidelines for naming your block clearly, choosing an icon, deciding on the type of block, you know, planning out the block properties, designing a good setup and default state, then designing a good editing state, then obviously designing a good preview state, you know, and then how you would use the planning template that sort of I have. I'm going to create like a small variation of it that will then be included as part of the little mini course. And then, you know, I've kind of started breaking it down, what I want to put in there, but it's not like quite ready to share yet. So that's not here. And that is kind of where I'm at. The next thing I'm going to do is probably just like go through and make sure that I actually do want to buy this product, and then figure out which block I want to create from here. Maybe it'll be 1, maybe it'll be 2. And I mean, I'm not going to create it, or maybe I will. I haven't decided that part yet. Perhaps I'll create it, and then maybe I can have 2 versions of the course. One that gives you like all the files for the little block that I made as well, so you can kind of see how I did it. And one that just sort of shows it to you, but doesn't give you the source files. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Didn't get that far. But yeah, I'm going to try to buy this, or maybe buy a different one, and then start to actually figure out how I'm going to talk about it, and then hopefully start recording. Yeah, that's the plan. Okay, that is my first update.